Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about how to implement the n-queens problem algorithm using Python. Here, I just use step 1, start in the leftmost column. We are just starting from the leftmost column. Then, if all queues are placed in the place return true. If all the queens are placed, return true. That means that if all the queens are placed in from the leftmost column and everything is matches, then returns true. Then try all the rows in the current column. Then try all the rows in the current column. Do the following for every tried row. Then, if a queen cannot be placed safely in a row, then mark this row column as per the solution and recursive check if placing queen here leads to a solution. If placing a queen in a row and column leads to a solution, then true. That means that if a queen is in here, then the queen cannot be placed diagonally, right? It should be placed at least a bit side longer. That means that at least element after element. Only then the queen can survive. Else at least then it's not safe. If the queen can get hurt. It means that it's a check, right, for the queen. If placing the queen in the row column leads to a solution, then returns true. If placing a queen does not lead to a solution, then unmark this in row column backtrack. That means that if cannot be done, if every column and row are filled and still the queens are missing, cannot be placed, then we should backtrack till we get every queens placed in the solution and step to try another rows. If all the rows have been tried and nothing worked, then return false and trigger the backtracking. Here I'm just using defining place here and k comma I. For j in range 1 comma k, for if x of j is equal to I, or abs x of j minus 1 is equal to abs j minus k, then just returns false, otherwise it just returns true. If n queens k comma n for I in range n 1 comma n plus 1, if place I comma k comma I, k of x of k is equal to I, then if k is equal to n, then it just prints k of 1 plus n plus 1, else just prints n queens k plus 1, then n. N int input enter the number of queens, then x is equal to 0 star n plus 1. Then just n queens of n comma 1, 1 comma n. I'm just enter the number of queens. Right. I can just run the program again. Just asking enter the number of queens. This is the user input. The program just asking enter the number of queens. I'm just giving as 7. Just shows every possible input and the backtracks everything just shows. Whatever the steps which undergoes the queens to keep it safe, it just checks everything, and if cannot be done, just goes my backtrack, then just checks the possible status and just prints the output in here. Thank you guys.